Hello everybody, my name is Vita from Smile Team Turkey, and today we're gonna talk about zirconium crowns. The treatment with zirconium crowns is almost our favorite, our basic and most common treatment that we do in our clinic. And there are few reasons why. There are a lot of reasons why we love zirconia crowns so much. One of them is that nowadays zirconium is the strongest, most usable material to make full smile makeover. You can think about zirconia like about strong rocks. We can use them almost in all cases for our patient, especially in the hopeless cases, when the people have very damaged, very broken, very crooked teeth. Also, zirconium crowns as a bridge can be used for the missing teeth. And of course, zirconia crowns is the material then we're using over the implants. As I said, zirconium crowns is the very strong material. That's why technically we say that it lasts 20-25 years. But to be honest, almost all of the people who do it, they can use it lifetime. And of course, one of the most important reasons that people like zirconia crowns is because finally you can have all your favorite drinks like coffee, tea, orange juice, and they don't stain. So what is actually the process to have full smile makeover with the zirconia crowns? When you come to our clinic at the first day, we do all the preparations and shaving for your teeth. Same time with the doctor, you choose any shape, any color you like. At the same day, after shaving the teeth, of course, they might be very sensitive. That's why we will provide you with the temporary plastic teeth. Of course, they're not super comfortable and not super nice yet, but at least with them you can eat, drink and spend good time in Antalya for the whole week you are here. The next day, we continue our treatment with the first fitting. First fitting is making with the plastic prototype. It's a very good situation for you because you can see already approximately how will look your teeth in your mouth, because sometimes it's really difficult to imagine it just from the picture. When you see your prototype in your mouth, looking at the mirror, at this time we can do whatever you want with your teeth to make them longer, shorter, more oval, more square, whatever you want. When we are perfectly agreed with you and with the doctor about all technical and appearance detail, we turn this prototype to zirconium material. So next rehearsal or fitting is done already with zirconia crowns. Sometimes it's so perfect from the first time that we can start cementation already. Sometimes if few necessary adjustments are needed, maybe from your side or maybe from doctor's side, we can send this zirconium crowns to the lab again, and then we will fit them on the next day. And so for the pre-last day, we do the cementation of zirconia crowns. Same time, the doctor arranged the equal and the right position of the biting with the back teeth. After that, we always ask you to use your teeth a little bit, at least to have some dinner or maybe breakfast. The next day, we see you for the last and final control. At the last control, we ask you about your feedbacks. How do you use them? How you feel them? Are they comfortable or equal, especially with the right closure position? And of course, after everything is done, the most important thing for us is aftercare. Aftercare is very important. You have to look after your zirconium crowns same properly as you look after your own teeth. Of course, brush them twice a day. Use mouthwashing. Of course, we highly recommend to use water flosser as well. And of course, it will be highly recommended if at least once a year you will come to the clinic to the professional cleaning. So hopefully I persuade you. Do not wait for your full smile makeover with zirconium crowns, because it's time to smile again!